You better be in the house when them street lights come on. Ain't that what your mama used to tell you? But I bet you when she told you to stay out the streets, she had no idea that the YouTube streets would take over the world. Uncle Juice, public figure Boogie, Baby Down So Raw, Detroit Gossip, and the most dangerous voice in Detroit, DawgfaceTV.
Bitch, I talk more shit than Dawgface.
They running shit from coast to coast. Welcome to the Danger Zone.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2 1 2. My name is Dawgface Calderon. So this is a combination of things going on here tonight. This is a mixture of Underdog TV, The Ruler Report, DawgfaceTV, and That Girl Henny. It's a mixture, it's a combination, it's gumbo. We kicking tonight. Hey, listen, we did 2 shows in one day. We cooking. We cooking like fish grease. Hey, listen, welcome everybody. Tonight, my partners in crime. Don't let Whack 100 here say that, though. My partners in crime. I'm going to allow them to introduce themselves, and I want you, make sure you guys give the people your social media so we can boost this thing up.
What's good? Y'all already know what it is. It's the one and only.
All right, I'm Underdog.
Ruler Report. It's the one and only Ruler Report over here with my boy Dawgface. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all can find me at Ruler Report _ Ruler _ Report on all social media platforms, TikTok, Twitter or X, and Instagram.
Can you hear us, Underdog?
I hear you.
You can't hear us?
Yeah, you want me to
Yeah, it's on you. What you waiting on?
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna fucking gift wrap imitation, nigga. When he start talking, you start talking.
Hey, I thought you said hold on for a minute, but no, this is your
let
boy
him
Underdog.
talk, motherfucker. What you talking about?
Hey, this your boy Underdog. My Instagram is Underdog TV _ podcast. My YouTube is Underdog TV. Y'all lock in with me.
Hey, listen, my name is Dawgface Calderon. I'm the most dangerous voice. I have been threatened by Whack 100 and Baby Shooter. They said they're going to take my YouTube channel and take my Instagram page. So if y'all don't see me on this channel again, just know I'm going to create another one. I'm going to create another one. And for the Henny gang, Henny is signed in. Henny had to go take care of some things. She had a family situation. So if you guys are wondering, for all the Henny gang people, if you're wondering where is the Queen of Darkness, Henny had to go take care of some family things. She's going to try to pop in, but this episode is so important that she wanted to make sure that the Henny gang were able to see this live and direct. So if you don't see Henny, if she's not able to pop in, just know that the reason why you are here is because she wanted you guys to see this up close and personal in real time. Ruler gang, can you introduce what we're about to do?
So y'all know we've been covering the Malone Jr. situation. That actually is going.
You gotta pop in, pop out.
I gotta pop in and pop out?
No, not you.
Okay.
Ruler.
All right, yeah. So
no, you do. You gotta pop in, pop out. Reese, Underdog, pop in, pop out.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead, Ruler gang.
All right, so we've been covering this Malone Jr. thing. Hey, dog, I gotta give it to you. This thing has like grown legs and took off running. I mean, we got some clips on Instagram right now that's over 100,000 views right now. Make sure y'all go to all of our platforms on Instagram and check those out. But tonight we got a special treat for y'all. We got the Deposition. This is exclusive too. This is the first time, never seen before. You getting it first over here. The Deposition, man. Listen, this is gonna be a 4-part series. So make sure y'all tune in, man. Dog is putting it down. Y'all already know what it is, man. We're going to get into it. We're going to see exactly what James Harden was talking about in front of them people.
Hey, Underdog, they say, put that goddamn muscle shirt on. They say, put that muscle shirt on.
They loving that tank top, huh? Don't make me go do it.
Hey, listen, for everybody in the Henny gang, if you guys are wondering where Henny is, Henny had to take care of some family situations. She's going to try to pop in if she can. The reason why you guys are logged in, why you guys are seeing this, is because this is so important that Henny wanted to make sure that you guys caught this in real time. So for everybody in the Henny gang, that's why you guys are here and you don't see Henny, because Henny had to go take care of something with her family. And she wants you guys to see this up close and personal firsthand. So without further ado,
Today's date is November 20th, 2018. We are on the record at 1:36 p.m. This is the videotape deposition
can y'all hear it?
Yeah, I can
Yes,
hear it.
sir.
Okay.
of James Harden in the matter of Moses Malone Jr. versus V Live at Vintage Steakhouse LLC, DBA V Live Houston, in the 151st Judicial District, Harris County, Texas. My name is Joseph Acosta, and I am the videographer. I'm present on behalf of Stratus Legal. The court reporter is Samantha Downing, also present on behalf of Stratus Legal. Counsel now state their appearance and firm affiliation for the record.
George Fair on behalf of Moses Malone Jr.
Nathan Aneri on behalf of Moses Malone Jr. Matt Mahoney on behalf of Moses Malone Jr. Derek Dean here for V Live.
And Rusty Harden on behalf of James Harden.
Will the court reporter please swear in the witness and we may proceed?
Will the witness read and sign?
Pardon? Yes,
Reading sign.
yes.
Could you raise your hand? Do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Before we get started, I think the lawyers have an agreement for me to put something on the record. If I misstated, you correct me. Prior to the deposition, about 15, 20 minutes before the deposition, a newspaper, or rather a TV reporter, showed up to interview and follow the James Harden deposition. There were cameras downstairs. That concerned me. I've talked to the lawyers for Mr. Malone. They assure me they're not the ones who contacted the media for a private deposition. They can't speak for whom else might have. But I have said before we would be willing to go forward. We wanted an agreement on a protective order that would say that this deposition, two things really, cannot be used or distributed to others and will be held by only for the parties, for a written protective order to be done after this, and it can be used only for the litigation during the course of trial. If the lawyers from Mr. Malone have wanted to add that if, in fact, they thought it should be used for something other than trial, they would not do that or participate in it without going first to the court and getting permission from the court to do that. There's also an agreement between the parties that the hard copy and the videotape of the deposition will not be distributed to anybody other than the lawyers that are involved in the litigation until the time of trial. Have I accurately stated the agreement for everybody?
Yes.
Okay.
And the V Live agrees.
All right. With that case, please proceed.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Mr. Harden. Could you please state your full legal name for the record?
James Edward Harden Jr.
Okay. Do you go by any other names?
No.
Okay. Have you ever participated in a deposition before?
No, I haven't.
Okay. So there's a few rules that I like to just get out of the way so we can get through this as quickly as possible. Okay? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, one of those is that I'm going to be asking you a series of questions, and I'm going to need some verbal responses from you. So some of the questions will call for a yes or no answer, and some of them will call for a more detailed answer. Do you understand that?
I understand.
So I'm going to ask that, sometimes we say uh-huh or we just nod our head. Sometimes you may do that. I may ask you yes or no.
I got you.
Thank you. If you need to take a break at any time, please feel free to do so, okay? The only thing I ask is that if I ask you a question, that you answer my question before you take your break.
Got you.
All right? If I ask you a question and you don't understand the question, please feel free to tell me you don't understand the question. I'll try and give you a better question.
Got you.
All right. So you know why we're here today?
Yes.
What's your understanding of why we're here today?
Because of Moses Malone getting beat up.
Okay. Have you ever met Moses Malone Jr.?
No, I've never met him.
Okay. Have you ever communicated with Moses Malone Jr.?
No, I've never communicated with him.
Have you ever communicated with Moses Malone Jr. via Facebook or text message or any type of media whatsoever?
Never.
Okay. Do you know who Iman Sherry Molo is?
Yes.
Okay.
I do.
Who is Molo? Iman Sherry Molo.
She's someone that I met since I've been in Houston. Just, from, going out and, just being around the city.
Okay. And so how long ago was that you met her?
I met her maybe four or 5 years ago, maybe.
Okay.
That's like the first time that I met her.
Okay. And where did you meet her?
I can't remember.
Okay. Do you have her cell phone in your phone?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have that number with you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you have your cell phone with you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Where's your cell phone?
It's not here.
Okay. Do you have it in this office somewhere?
No, it's not in this office.
Okay. So when was the last time you communicated with Molo?
Honestly, I don't know.
Okay. When you normally communicate with Molo, how do you communicate with her?
It's talk about everything.
And what I'm asking is, do you text her? Do you call her?
Oh, yeah. Text, call, FaceTime.
Okay. Do you delete any messages that you text between you and Molo?
No.
Okay. So all the text messages that you and Molo have ever exchanged, you have on your cell phone?
Yes.
Okay. What's your cell phone number?
832.
Well, wait a second.
It will not. Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, we'll provide it separately if you need to. I don't want to be part of the deposition.
Well, that's fine. Just as long as we can have it for getting phone records. Who's your cell phone provider?
AT&T.
And how long has AT&T been your cell phone provider?
I'm not sure the exact time.
Have you had any other cell phone providers other than AT&T?
Yes, I have.
Okay. What was your previous cell phone provider?
I can't remember. I've had AT&T for a minute now.
Okay. So the last cell phone provider you can remember having is AT&T.
Yes.
And you don't remember any other previous cell phone provider?
I've had T-Mobile. I've had Sprint.
Any other cell phone providers you can remember?
Samsung.
Samsung? Is that it?
I can remember, yes.
Okay. And how long have you had that cell phone number?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Have you had that cell phone number ever since you moved to Houston?
No.
You had it before you moved to Houston?
No, I've had it. I've changed numbers a few times.
Okay, so you've had more than one cell phone number since you've been here in Houston?
Yes.
Okay. Do you remember those previous numbers?
No, I don't.
Okay. How many other cell phone numbers do you think you've had other than your most current cell phone number?
Since I've been in Houston?
Since you've been in Houston?
I'm not sure. Multiple, though.
And why do you change your cell phone so much?
I don't change it a lot.
Okay. Well, have you had more than 2 cell phone numbers?
Yes, I have.
Have you had more than 3 cell phone numbers?
Yes, I have.
Have you had more than 4 cell phone numbers?
I have 2 phones, so
Okay. So you have currently 2 phones?
Yes, I do.
How long have you had 2 phones?
A long time. Over 6 years.
And are they both Houston phone numbers?
No, they're not.
Okay. So one phone number is a Houston phone number?
Correct.
And Mr. Harden said he'll give us that number later. And what's your other number?
That's a California number.
How long have you had the California cell phone number?
A very long time.
Okay. Is that the first cell phone number you've ever had?
No, I've changed it, but I've had a California area code I meant for a long time.
Okay. When you say a long time, more than 10 years?
For a California number, yeah, approximately.
Okay. And who's the cell phone provider for your California number?
Both are AT&T.
Okay. And have you had both numbers under AT&T for, as you said, a minute or a while?
No, I had a deal with Samsung and I had a deal with Sprint. So, I mean, I just, whenever I got a deal, I changed it. And then when I didn't have the deal anymore, I switched numbers and carriers.
Okay. And when you say a deal, like a cell phone special type
Cell phone deal, yes.
Okay. All right, so let's go back to Molo. So you've known Molo for about 5 years, is that fair?
I met her 5 years ago.
Okay. You don't remember where you met her?
No, I don't.
Okay. What would you say? How would you describe your relationship?
She's someone that, you know, I like if I need something around the city, just because she's been here for so long, that she can help me out with it.
She helps you out with what?
I said if I need something around the city, she's someone that I can call and she can help me out with it.
Like what kind of things would she help you out with?
Like maybe dinner reservations, or if I want to go out, or if I want to go Top Golf or bowling or something. You know, she has the connections.
Okay. So do you have a business relationship with Molo?
No, I don't.
Is it a friendship?
I wouldn't call it a friendship. She's just someone that's well connected around the city of Houston.
Okay. Do you pay Molo for anything?
No, I don't.
Okay. So you just call her to help you out with things?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. And does she ever go to dinner with you? Does she ever go to these events with you?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're friends?
Nah, friends, I mean, I wouldn't call her my friend.
Okay. Have you ever gone on a trip with Molo?
Yeah, took her on a trip.
Okay. But you don't consider her a friend?
Nah. There's a few people in the city of Houston that I've taken on trips that have, you know, helped me as far as like, you know, booking things and setting me up different places and things like that. You know, there's a few people that I've taken on trips that I wouldn't necessarily call my friends. It just, you know, show my appreciation for what they're looking out for me.
Okay. So why do you need Molo to book your dinners or schedule events for you?
I mean, I don't need her to.
Okay.
But I mean, it's helpful.
Okay. Why would she do that for you if you're not friends?
Object to the form.
Because there are a lot of people that aren't my friends that help me.
Why?
You're going to have some kind of relevance here. Objected not only to the form, but this whole line of inquiry.
Well, I mean, I think I get to find out what the relationship is between him and Molo.
He's asking
I mean,
what
I
the
have friends
relationship
that are not from Houston that if I call and need something, or not friends with people that I can call that are not in Houston, that I need favors, maybe errands or things like that, or pickups or anything that I need, they can help me or assist me with, just because I'm not there or I'm not able to do it.
So it's your testimony today. You've never paid Molo to help you with anything before.
No.
There'll never be a transaction between you and Molo for any type of services provided, anything like that.
There might be a transaction if I needed it to her to pay for something that I couldn't get to it at that point, and then, you know, I returned the money back. But as far as like actually paying her for a job or something like that, then no, never.
Okay, so there's things that she may front and pay for you, and then you pay her back.
Yeah.
What kind of things?
I mean, it can be anything. You know, booking one of my friends a flight, or, you know, taking something to UPS, or, you know, delivering some shoes or some clothes for me that she had to, you know, pay for, and then I reimburse her the money. But I mean, not just Molo. I just, you know, do that with a few people.
Go ahead and mark this as Exhibit 1.
Yes.
I handed you a photograph that I've labeled as Exhibit 1. Are you familiar with this photograph?
Yes.
What is this photograph of?
We went to Turks and Caicos.
Okay. And what was the reasoning for, or why did you guys go to Turks and Caicos?
Took my mom and Jade and Molo and a few other people.
Okay. Who's Jade?
Another female that I know, since I've been knowing for a very long time, that lives in LA.
Okay. So is that the female on the left of the photo?
Correct.
Okay. And you've known Jade from LA?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you grow up with Jade?
I've known her for over 8-9 years.
Okay. And then who's that on the right of you in the photo?
Molo.
Okay. How long were you guys in Turks and Caicos?
I'm not sure.
Look, I don't want to get to the area of telling him not to answer something. And I understand the rules and I understand the objective to the form. But we're not going to be having this deposition about different people he knew or different women that he went on trips with or anything like that. That's not going to happen today.
Okay.
If you want to take his deposition about whether he knows anything or had anything to do with the assault of Moses Malone, I have no objection. We're not going to do this. We're not going to go down these kind of trips.
Well, I'm asking about Molo. I think I can.
No, you ask him first about Molo. You ask him about another woman who's unconnected with the case. If you've got some basis to show that this is reasonably calculated to lead to admissible evidence, I won't. Otherwise, I'm gonna shut this thing down. You don't just get to bring him in here and ask him about everybody he knows.
Rusty, he brought up Jade. I didn't bring it up.
No, he did not bring us up. You introduced the photograph, and he answered his questions.
Well, okay. Well, I'm asking about Molo now. So, I mean, if you want to instruct him not to answer, that's your prerogative. I understand that. I'm gonna try and ask the questions I think I need to ask.
Well,
okay. And I'll be respectful of your comments, but I'm gonna need to ask my questions.
Yeah,
okay?
go ahead. That's fine.
Okay. So, what was my last question? I'm sorry. Could you read that back to me?
How long were we in Turks and Caicos?
Yeah. How long were you in Turks and Caicos for?
I'm not sure.
Okay. And you testified your mother was there with you?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm a little confused. So Molo's not your friend, but you take her on a vacation with you and your mother?
Yeah.
Okay. How often in the 5 years that you've known Molo, you think you and Molo talk a week?
A few times.
Okay. And when you say a few times, more than 5?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. I mean, is it fair to say she's someone you regularly speak with and communicate with?
Not regularly, but we talk often.
Okay. A few times a week?
A few.
Okay. Would you think Molo considers you her best friend?
Object to the form.
I'm not sure.
All right. Go ahead and mark this as Exhibit 2.
Thank you.
Mr. Harden, are you familiar with James Harden? Are you familiar with this photo?
No, I don't remember that.
Excuse me?
I don't remember that.
Okay. Do you remember this is your birthday with Molo on September 6, 2016?
I mean, clearly I'm in the picture, but I don't remember.
Okay. Is that Molo in the photo with you?
Correct.
Is she known as Vicious Indian on her social media?
I believe so.
Okay. You don't remember this event or when this photo was taken?
Mm-mm.
Okay. But you see how she put it in the post, "Happy birthday to my best friend at James Harden 13."
I see that.
Okay. Are you at James Harden 13 or J Harden 13?
Yes, I am.
Okay. And you're still taking the position that you and Mo are not friends?
No, we're not friends. I wouldn't call him my friend.
Okay.
Somebody that, I mean, I have friends that I've been knowing for 15 years. Those are people that I call my friends.
Okay. Do you trust Molo?
I trust everybody until they do something shady.
Okay. So so has Molo done anything shady to you?
She has.
Okay, what has she done that was shady?
Shit.
Objective form. You don't have to answer that.
Yeah.
Why would
What business is
Amen.
it of yours?
That's how he answered it.
No, I know. But what you asked him the question, he answered it. And then why does he have to tell you what that was? What does that have to do with anything?
Because I asked him if he trusts Molo. He says unless they do something shady, and then and I asked him, did she do something shady? And he said yes.
Yeah.
So I have a right to know what she did that was
Really?
shady.
Well, let's find out if the judge says you have the right to know. I'm instructing him not to answer it.
All right. We'll make sure we certify that question for the judge.
That's fine. I could have. I mean,
so if she's done something shady to you, then based on your previous answers, you do not trust Molo.
or anyone.
Object to the form.
I'm not worried about anybody else.
Or anyone.
Molo's done something shady to you, correct?
Yes.
And you testify.
Hold on. This nigga said when he was asked, "Do you trust Molo?" He said, "Well, I trust everybody until they give me a reason not to trust them." Right?
Yep.
And then are y'all hearing what I'm hearing? Are you taking notes? Does everybody have their pen and pad ready? Because what the fuck? I'm confused already.
Earlier that if someone does something shady to you, you don't trust them.
Correct.
So since Molo's done something shady, you don't trust her. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. When was the last time you communicated with Molo?
I'm not sure the exact date.
A month ago?
I'm not sure the exact date.
2 months ago?
It's probably a little longer than that.
3 months ago?
I'm not sure.
Have you talked to her this year?
No.
Did you talk to her in 2017?
Yes.
Okay, so last time you talked to Molo was 2017.
Yes.
All right. Has she tried contacting you, communicating with you in any way?
Yes.
When was the last time she tried communicating with you or talking to you?
I mean, I can't remember the date.
A month ago?
Probably.
Okay. And you didn't answer the phone?
No.
Did she call you or text you?
Text.
Did you respond to the text?
No.
Okay. What did she text you?
I can't remember what she texted.
Okay. But you testified earlier that you haven't deleted any text from Molo, so you still have that text, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Okay. Do you know DJ Eric?
Yes, I do.
How do you know DJ Eric?
He's a DJ. He was the DJ at V-Live.
So does that mean you met DJ Eric at V-Live?
Correct.
Okay. When did you meet DJ Eric at V-Live?
I can't remember. Probably around the time that I got to Houston or after that.
Okay. Did you meet DJ Eric around the same time you met Molo?
I'm not exactly sure, but I would assume.
Okay. Do you know that Molo works at V-Live?
She did, or Yeah, when I met her, she did.
Okay. So when you met Molo, you knew she was working at VLive.
Correct.
Okay. Is it possible you met Molo at VLive?
It could have been.
Okay. Did you go to VLive before you met Molo or after you met Molo?
I'm not sure.
Okay. So DJ Eric, how well do you know DJ Eric?
Just from being at VLive.
Okay. Do you have his cell phone number in your phone?
I did.
Okay. What do you mean you did?
I got a new phone, so contacts don't carry over.
Okay. So you haven't gotten DJ Eric's phone number back in your new phone?
No.
Okay.
We didn't talk consistently.
Well, let's say how often would you and DJ Eric communicate?
Maybe when I wanted to go to VLive.
Okay. Were those the only times you would communicate with DJ Eric?
For the most part, yeah.
Okay. And how often would you go to VLive or want to go to VLive?
Maybe once or twice a month.
Okay. So you'd go to VLive once or twice a month? Yes?
Probably, yeah.
Okay. And those 1 or 2 times a month, those are the only times you'd contact DJ Eric?
I mean, yeah.
Okay. And would you ever see DJ Eric outside of VLive?
Yeah.
Where would you see DJ Eric at?
Restaurants. I mean, he knows a lot of people in the city also, so the same places that I would see Molo at, I would see Eric at.
Okay. And when you would see him, would you guys hang out together and spend time
Yeah.
together? Okay. So you would see DJ Eric more than just the 1 or 2 times a month you'd go to VLive?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you consider DJ Eric a friend?
No.
Okay. Do you trust DJ Eric?
Yeah.
Okay. He's never done anything shady to you?
No.
Okay. Do you know what it means to put a green light on somebody?
No. What does that mean?
I'm asking you. I don't know.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay. Have you ever heard that term before? There's a green light on this person or that person?
No.
Have you ever heard DJ Eric say there's a green light on this person or that person?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Do you know an individual by the name of Dion?
Dion what?
He goes by Dion. Do you know someone named by Dion?
No, I don't.
No? Do you know an Oscar Wattell?
No, I don't.
Do you know Darian Blunt?
From working at VLive.
And so how do you know? So what do you mean by working at VLive?
Just, I'm not sure what his exact position is, but just being at the front.
Excuse me.
Sorry. Being at the front at VLive.
Okay. So, I mean, he wasn't somebody you would hang out with outside of VLive? Okay. Did you have Darian Blunt's cell phone in your phone?
No.
Okay. You've never had Darian Blunt's cell phone in your
No.
phone? You've never had to text or communicate with Darian Blunt?
No.
Who's Big Tony?
One of my friends that passed away.
Okay. Sorry to hear that. Did he recently pass away?
It's been about a year and some change.
Okay. So let's talk about your relationship with Big Tony. How long have you known Big Tony?
Since I moved to Houston.
Did Big Tony work for you?
He did.
Okay. What did Big Tony do for you?
Security.
So, did you have more than one security guy, or was he the only one?
I have more than one security.
Okay. What was Big Tony's schedule as far as security was for you?
I mean, whatever I did.
So he was with you 24 hours?
In Houston. At that time, he was in Houston. Just in Houston. The Houston area.
And I've never had a security guard, so I don't understand how that works. So when you're in Houston, he would be with you 24 hours in Houston?
Not 24 hours. Whenever I needed something to go, whenever I wanted to go anywhere, restaurants or anywhere, I would call him up and he would be there.
Okay, people. So what this is a deposition of James Harden, NBA star, and it's in relationship to the assault case and the robbery case of Moses Malone Jr. So this is the first time that this video deposition has been aired on any platform that I don't think it's been aired anywhere. Ruler Report, have you seen this before anywhere?
No, sir.
Okay, I got you. Underdog, have you ever seen this aired anywhere?
Nope. First time right here.
Okay, I got you. So I decided, we decided as a group, along with Moses Malone Jr., to air it, to give people the opportunity to see the inner workings of the case that was with James Harden and Molo and the things that transpired at V Live the night that Moses Malone Jr. was assaulted and robbed.
Okay. Would he come pick you up and take you, or
he followed me.
Okay. And how would you pay Big Tony?
I mean, for the amount of work he did, the hours.
Understood. Let me ask a better question. I'm sorry. Like, would you pay him in a check? Would you transfer money to him?
Cash.
You paid him cash?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you pay people in cash regularly?
No.
Okay. Was he the only one you'd ever pay in cash?
No, he's not the only one.
Okay. Would you pay all your security people in cash?
No.
Okay. How many security personnel did you have?
What do you mean?
Well, you said Big Tony was one of a few.
I've had 6 different security guards. So, I mean.
And would you pay them all cash?
No.
Okay. How would you pay?
My job contracts a security guard for me. And then Big Tony was just like, an extra security when I needed.
I got a little confused there.
My job contracts a security, and then I would pay Big Tony if I needed someone, or the guy that was contracted for my job wasn't available.
When you say your job, the Rockets?
Rockets.
Okay, so the Rockets hire security for you.
Correct.
And then Big Tony was additional security that you paid for out of your own pocket.
Correct.
Okay. And then that's why Big Tony, you'd pay him in cash.
Correct.
Okay. Are there any other people that you would work with or that you would hire that you would pay in cash?
No.
So the only time you'd really use cash to pay anybody was when you paid Big Tony.
Or if I couldn't, if it wasn't enough to need a check. Like if the amount wasn't big enough.
I see what you're saying. Like you always had
$200, $200 or something. Or if I had the cash on me, I would just give them. If I owed somebody, if somebody ran an errand for me and the package delivery was $200 or something like that, $300 or something, I would just give them cash.
Understood. That makes sense. So let's talk about your compensation. You get paid by the Rockets, right?
Correct.
And how do they compensate you? Check? Or is it automatic deposit?
Yes. Yeah, now I'm going to instruct him not to answer about his finances, because you take that up with the judge. I don't see how that possibly is relevant to this entire case.
Well, I'm just asking about how he gets compensated. I'm not asking about.
I'm just trying to warn you ahead of time. I'm going to instruct him not to talk about his own finances, because it has nothing to do with this case.
All right. When I hit a question that you want to instruct him not to answer, please feel free to.
Sure.
Okay, and then we'll go from there. And you get compensated from other contracts you have, right?
Correct.
Okay. And are those checks or automatic deposit?
Either or.
Okay. So typically on all the work that you have, whether with the Rockets or other companies that you work for or work with, you either get paid in a check or automatic deposit?
Or cash.
You get paid in cash too?
If I want.
Okay. And when you get paid in cash, you deposit into your bank account?
No. I mean, I do what I want with it.
Okay. Who pays you in cash?
Hey, you know, I'm instructed not to answer that. Next question.
Okay. Okay. So you have a contract with the Rockets and you have a contract with Adidas, correct?
Correct.
And they don't pay you cash, do they?
Instruct you not to answer that question. This has nothing to do with the case. So I'm instructing not to answer it. Next question, please.
Rusty.
Can you tell the court?
One of the
Go ahead.
One of the allegations from my client, from witnesses, is that Mr. Harden paid cash to have this attack facilitated. So I'm allowed to find out when he's taking out cash or how he's taking out cash to potentially pay for some of these.
No, you're not. Let me explain on the record, just so you understand what my position is and the judge can judge.
Okay.
You have made that allegation.
Correct.
Your client has already agreed and testified. He's never met James Harden. He doesn't know James Harden, and he has no personal knowledge of any such thing. So far in this case, not one single piece of evidence has been introduced to show there was a $20,000. So your payment for anything. Your client doesn't get to make an allegation and then come in and pry on his finances. We are not talking about Mr. Harden's finances, period, today.
Okay. Well, we'll just take it up with the judge.
This is simply a shakedown by your guy because this man happens to make a lot of money, and we're not going to participate. If you want to talk about evidence that has anything to do, whether he's connected with what happened to Moses Malone, I have no objection. But we're not going to have him sit here, have you go through who he knows about this or that, what finances he has, how he gets paid. That is not happening.
Okay. Well, I'll ask my questions. You just keep instructing me not to answer.
Good.
Do you know James Lennox?
Yes, I do.
How you know James Lennox?
He's my sister boyfriend.
He's your sister's what?
Boyfriend.
Okay. He's not your brother-in-law?
We're not married.
Okay. Sorry, I asked that because I took his deposition. He said he was your brother-in-law, but that may have missed a miscommunication on my part. How long have you known James Lennox?
A few years.
Okay. Ever since he's been with your sister?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you move Mr. Lennox down here and your sister from Oklahoma City?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And you bought him a house down here?
Yes.
Okay. The house is still under your name though, correct?
No, it's not under my name.
Okay. You bought it for your sister?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Has Mr. Lennox ever worked for you? Or have you ever paid Mr. Lennox for anything?
No.
Okay. Do you have a personal relationship with Mr. Lennox, just you and him as friends? Or?
We've never hung out one-on-one.
Oh, never? So the only time you see Mr. Lennox is with your sister?
Yeah.
You've never invited Mr. Lennox to hang out with you or go out with you?
I mean, he's went out with me, but not like one-on-one.
Oh, only when your sister's with you?
Yeah, or if it's a lot of the guys.
I understood. So if Mr. Lennox is going out with you, it's with you and your buddies or other people you hang out with?
Correct.
All right. Do you know if Mr. Lennox knows Moses Malone Jr.?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Has Mr. Lennox ever approached you about you and Moses Malone Jr. sitting down and talking about this incident that occurred? That never happened?
No.
Okay. So if Mr. Lennox said that's something that happened, he'd be wrong?
Yeah.
All right. Do you trust Mr. Lennox?
Yeah.
Okay. So he's never done anything shady to you before?
No.
Okay. Do you know Gary Payton, former basketball player?
The glove?
The glove.
Yes.
Okay. Are you and Gary Payton friends?
I mean, I know him because of a basketball player he is.
Are you and him friends?
No.
Have you ever met Gary Payton in person?
Yes.
Okay. What occasions have you met him in person?
Summer league, just around NBA games, things like that.
Okay. So it's just more like, hi, how you doing?
Yeah.
Acquaintance, is that fair?
Sure.
Okay. Now you tell me, what would you describe your relationship with Gary Payton as?
I just told you. I just see him around at NBA games and say what's up, and that's it.
Okay. Let's see here. You know Gary Womack?
No.
You don't know Gary Womack at all?
No.
So if I went to Gary Womack and asked him if he knew you and he said yes, that'd be a lie?
Object to the form.
I don't know Gary Womack.
Okay. Do you know a girl by the name of that goes by the name Kiera Red?
Name sounds familiar.
You can't recognize it? You don't recognize the name?
The name sounds familiar.
Where does it sound familiar from?
I mean, I know I've heard a couple of Kiera Reds.
Okay. What do you mean you've heard a couple of Kiera Reds?
I mean, just around the city of Houston.
Does Kiera Red mean something?
No.
You just heard of a couple of girls named Kiera Red?
Correct.
Are they the same girl or different girls?
Sure, they're different girls.
How have you heard of Kiera Red?
Different promoters, people, my friends. Just heard that name being mentioned a few times.
What mentioned in what context?
Hey, look, this girl Kiera Red, or hey, you know this girl Kiera Red from LA, or so.
People trying to set you up with Kiera Red?
No, just friends know her. People know her. People know names.
Okay.
Sure, there's more than one Kiera Red.
Okay. Do you know James Prince?
Yes.
How do you know James Prince?
From being out in Houston.
Is James Prince a friend of yours?
No.
Well, how do you know him? Or where did you meet him?
Being out in Houston.
Just
restaurants, whatever, just around the city.
So you met him socially?
Correct.
Okay. Okay. How often do you think do you have James Prince's phone number in your cell phone?
Yes, I do.
Why do you have his cell phone number?
I mean, I don't know.
Is it for friendship, for work, for?
I mean, I have a lot of people's numbers that aren't my friends or family on my phone.
No, that's fair, but I mean, usually you keep someone's cell phone number for a reason. So
I mean, he lives in Houston. You know, he knows a lot of people. He's he's helpful around the city as well.
Okay. And how is he helpful around the city?
He just knows different people, restaurants, different places that I might want to go.
Is he someone you trust?
I don't know.
So you can't even say if you trust him or not.
Right. I'm not around him enough. I'm not around him enough to decide that.
Okay. When was the last time you spoke with him?
I'm not sure. Maybe it was. It was this weekend or this past weekend. I saw him.
Where'd you see him this past weekend?
At a concert.
Okay. Which concert?
Travis Scott.
Do you know what James Prince does?
No.
Okay. You just see him out and about. Okay. So does James Prince do the same kind of stuff Molo does? He helps you get in places?
No.
No? How would you differentiate what James Prince does and what Molo does?
Me and Molo talk often. Me and James don't really talk, that often.
Okay. When Molo was working at V Live, would she help you get into V Live and get tables at V Live?
Yeah.
Okay. Describe to me like what V Live was like. Give me the atmosphere in V Live.
It was a vibe. Go in there and get food, or maybe have a drink or two, and just hang out.
Okay, and she'd help you get the tables and get set up over there?
Correct.
Okay. Would DJ Eric help with that too, or just?
Correct. He would.
Okay. Did Darian Blunt help with that also?
Maybe when I showed up, he would help.
Okay. But to help set up the table or the arrangements, you'd go through Molo or DJ Eric?
Correct.
Okay. And my understanding was V Live was an after hours club. Is that right?
Correct.
You go after 2 a.m. in the morning?
You can if you want to.
Yeah. Is that when you would go?
Just depends.
Okay. Is that when you normally would go? Was after 2 a.m.?
Depends on the night.
Okay. Do you know what time V Live opens?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Would there at V Live, are there girls dancing around?
Yeah.
Okay. Do people pay money to these girls?
Yeah, it's an exotic strip club.
Okay. Did you ever pay money to these girls?
Yeah, tip the dancers.
Okay. And how do you? Walk me through the process. Like, do they come and sit with you and hang out with you?
It's whatever you want to do.
Okay. What do you mean, whatever you want to do?
I mean, they can sit, hang out with you. They don't have to sit down, hang out with you. You can talk to them. You don't have to talk to them.
But if they spend time with you, you pay them money.
You don't have to.
Okay. But you could.
Could.
Have you paid money to a girl for spending time with you?
You don't have to answer that. That has nothing to do with this case.
I'm trying to get an understanding of.
Yeah, I've tipped dancers.
Okay. Would Molo help you get dancers to come hang out with you?
She worked there.
Okay. So part of her job and her connection to you is she'd help get girls to you. Is that right?
Yeah, not only just Molo.
You had other girls that would help you get girls?
The people that work there.
Okay.
What? Hey, rule report. What the what? What is he admitting here? What do you mean?
Man,
that's the shit you should be objecting to right there.
Right. And the lawyer sat there and they said nothing.
I didn't go to law school, but I did stay out of Holiday Inn Express. You know how the old commercial goes.
Right.
Hey, he can't fully shut that nigga up though. Like he be looking at him like, yeah, don't say nothing. That motherfucker still want to answer it in his own little way. So
help you get girls is crazy.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
You have a basketball camp, right? Correct?
Correct.
You still have that camp?
Yes, I do.
Okay. When did you start that basketball camp?
This is probably my 5th year. It was my 5th year doing it. I believe so.
Okay. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but you've been in Houston, what, 7 years now?
Correct.
Okay. So that's since 2011, right?
Yeah.
All right. And so you've been doing this camp since 2013, 2014?
Yeah, it's my 4th or 5th year.
Okay. And before we go into this camp, did you start this camp here, or is this a camp you had back in Oklahoma City also?
I started here.
Okay.
With a company called Pro Camps.
Okay. They help set up the camps for you?
Yeah, they do it all.
Okay. And before we go into your camp, did you ever meet Moses Malone Sr.?
Maybe once.
Okay.
Maybe once or twice.
Was that before you moved to Houston, or when you moved to Houston?
When I moved to Houston.
Okay. Did you have any type of relationship with Moses Malone Sr.?
Not at all.
Okay. I mean, you never had a real conversation with him or anything?
Not at all.
Okay. Did you ever have an opinion of Moses Malone Sr.?
I don't really know him.
Okay. Did you have a relationship with any of the former Rockets players that were at the Rockets?
I mean, Hakeem Olajuwon comes pretty often. Yao Ming comes pretty often. Clyde Drexler is there all the time. So I talk to those guys pretty often.
Okay. Do you have any like a relationship outside of the Rockets with them?
No.
Okay. It's all Rockets organization affiliated.
Right.
All right. Are any of those players that you just mentioned? Do you have their cell phone numbers? Do you call them and talk to them?
I've had Clyde's cell phone, but we don't talk.
Okay. Have you talked to any of them about this case, about this incident? Okay. Have you talked to anybody in the Rockets organization about this incident?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Has anybody from the Rockets organization investigated this incident?
No. I'm sure they know, but I mean, I haven't talked to anybody about it.
Okay. Has anybody from the NBA investigated this incident with Moses Malone Jr.?
No.
Okay. Have you been contacted from anybody in the NBA about this incident?
I haven't.
Okay. So your basketball camp. So tell me a little about the basketball camp. Why'd you start it?
It's pretty dope, actually. It's I've had it for 4 or 5 years, and it's a couple hundred kids. It grows every year. I think this year we had almost 1,000 kids, or 750 kids, and it's just an opportunity for kids around the city of Houston to, work on their basketball skills, the fundamentals, and get an opportunity to hang out with me for a couple of days and laugh and learn skill work and learn how to be unselfish and how to be a leader.
And so is this type of camp that that's important to you?
Yeah, very important.
You spent a lot of time putting it together and promoting it, correct?
I mean, I didn't put it together. Pro camps put it together.
Well, that's fair, but I mean, but they put it together based on your vision. Is that correct?
I mean, they have different players that they do camps with, so the vision is already there. Basically, get kids that want to hang out and learn all those characteristics for the weekend.
Okay. And so, is it the camp pretty much the same year to year, the same setup, the same format?
Pretty much.
Where is your camp held?
I'm not sure the exact location. There's been a few locations. It's not the same place every year.
Okay, so you move it around. Okay.
Well, pro camps move it around.
So let's talk about the camp in 2016. Go ahead and mark this as Exhibit 3. I'll give you guys a copy of it. Yeah. So that you can see this was posted on social media below. That was posted by looks like Molo, Vicious Indian. You see that?
Yep.
Okay. And so this camp in 2016 was held on June 23rd and June 24th. Is that right?
I mean, it says it. Yeah.
Yeah, I just want to make sure this is accurate. Is that right?
Yep.
Okay. And it shows here that you were charging $249 per child. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. And so how many? And you said you have
couple hundred
children, huh?
Correct.
And how do these? What do you do with the proceeds from this camp?
My foundation, give backs, things like that.
There's no specific place where this money goes?
No, not specific.
Okay.
Foundation, no.
So it just goes to your foundation?
Not all of it. Pro camps get some of the money also.
Okay. Well, so you got to pay pro camps. They do this for a profit, correct?
Right.
So they get their cut, and then your foundation gets the remaining amount, correct?
Correct.
And then whatever your foundation wants to do with it, they do with it, correct?
Correct.
What kind of things does your foundation support?
A variety of things. I have a Jay's Town weekend every year. This is my second year doing it this past year, and basically, helping high school kids be able to get to college, single parent homes, have Christmas drives, have Thanksgiving food drives. That's actually, I have one today. I mean, just you name it.
Okay, so they give to various causes. Is that fair? Okay. So when you have these camps, is it a big deal for you and your friends and your family to come and participate?
It's a big deal, I think, for the city of Houston and for these kids.
Well, and that's I understand that. But, I mean, do you invite your family and friends from California and all over to come and participate in this camp with you?
They know about it, so if they have an opportunity to be there, they would.
Okay.
It's not like a big, invitation where, hey guys, I need you to be here.
Okay. But do you get a lot of support from your friends and family when you have this camp?
Yeah.
Will they come down from California and wherever you're from and come and support you?
For sure.
Okay. And if they do come down and you have all this outpouring support, do you guys spend time together after the camp is over and the day is done?
Yeah.
Okay.
If I'm not exhausted.
Did you pay Molo to post this for you and promote this for you?
No, I didn't.
Did you ask her to do it for you?
No, I didn't.
Do you know why she promoted that for you if you're not friends?
There's a lot of people that posted it that aren't my friends. I think it's for the kids. I don't think it's about who's posting it.
Okay. Are you affiliated with any gangs?
No, I'm not.
Okay. You're not affiliated with the Bloods?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Do you ever hold yourself out as being affiliated with the Bloods?
No.
Okay. Have you ever been involved in any of the lawsuits?
I have.
Okay. How many other lawsuits?
A few.
Okay. Well, I just want to be more specific. Have you ever been involved in any other lawsuits involving assault or injuring somebody else?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. How many other lawsuits?
2.
Okay. Were both those lawsuits in California?
Yes.
Okay. Let's talk about the first lawsuit. What was the first lawsuit about?
Some guy said that I assaulted him. I stuck my hand out of a car and assaulted him, which wasn't true.
What happened with that lawsuit?
If you know.
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know what happened with that lawsuit?
No.
What do you mean you're not? I mean, is it still ongoing?
It might be still ongoing. I'm not sure.
Okay. Is that the David Flores versus James Harden case?
I don't even know this guy's name.
Okay. And this is a lawsuit that was filed in July of last year, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Go ahead and mark this as Exhibit 4.
Read this better graduation.
Did you get a chance to review it?
Yeah.
Does it refresh your memory as to what it's about?
Yeah, that one is. I was walking and some guy was recording me. I turned to try to move or put my hand in front of his camera while he was recording me, and he claims I broke his finger.
Okay. And for did you dispute this case, or what's
It's ongoing.
It's ongoing.
Yeah.
All right. And then the second case, also out of Los Angeles County, it's Barack Golan versus James E. Harden Jr. You familiar with that case?
I think that was the one I was trying to explain earlier.
Okay.
About the hand out the window.
And this this is the one where they the plaintiff is alleging that you punched him in the face without any reason.
Can you show him the lawsuit, please?
Yeah, I'll get that for you. You remember that?
I don't remember punching nobody in the face, but. Where does it say punch in the face?
If you see in the synopsis of information right there, allegations, you see that? So what happened with this? What was the cause of this lawsuit?
We were leaving the place, and some fan was just talking stuff, and he claims I reached my arm out the window and punched him.
Okay. And you obviously deny all that, right?
Of course.
Okay. What happened with this case?
I'm not sure exactly.
Yeah. You said it was filed back in 2013. I guess it shows it was still pending as of last year. You don't know what's going on with it?
Nothing.
Okay. Do you remember the incident that recently happened in Arizona?
Yeah, I do.
Go ahead and mark this as Exhibit 6. You remember the incident with you grabbing a woman's hand and throwing her phone?
I remember the accusation.
Okay. Has a lawsuit been filed on this case yet?
I'm not sure exactly.
Okay. Do you have an anger issue?
No, I don't.
Okay. All these people making up all these lawsuits and allegations against you?
Yes.
Objective form.
Okay. Why do you think all these people are making up all these allegations and lawsuits against you?
Honestly, if I knew that would. I mean,
you don't
I
know?
can tell you. If I knew, I would tell you.
Okay. Does this happen normally to NBA players?
Yeah, it does.
Like this?
Yeah.
All right. So going back to 2016 and your basketball camp, do you remember Moses Malone Jr. posting a Facebook post about your camp and questioning why you charged $249?
Yeah, I remembered it.
Okay. How did you feel about that?
A little confused.
And explain to me why you felt confused.
Just because I didn't know where it was coming from. I've never met him or had any, conversations with him. I was more so confused off as, great of a legend as of his father was, where was this coming from?
Okay. And who did you express this confusion to?
My friends and Molo and Big Tony.
Okay. Were you upset about it?
I wouldn't call it upset. I was more confused.
Were you? Go ahead. I'm gonna mark this as Exhibit 7. Is that the Facebook post that you recall?
I think so.
And so what was confusing?
Like I just said, that Houston Rockets connection with his father. He's seen how great his father was and all the things that he's done and accomplished. So I was confused on where was this coming from.
Well, when he posted this, did you contact Moses Jr.?
No.
Okay.
No.
Did you ask anybody from the Houston Rockets organization to reach out to him and talk to him?
I didn't.
Okay. So you only reached out to Tony?
I didn't reach out to Tony or Molo. They confronted. They showed me.
They showed you the post?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you expressed your confusion to them?
Correct.
Okay. And you just left it at that? You didn't do anything about it?
No.
Okay. You didn't care?
I didn't care.
Okay. You didn't care that somebody was bashing you about your camp and about...
That's every single day for me.
Okay. But
not my camp, but just in general.
Okay. But this was the first time you ever had a comment like this about your camp and about how much you charge. And
I'm sure it wasn't the first time that was, someone said something about how much pro camps charge for the camp or whatnot. But it was brought to my attention only the simple fact because it was, Moses Malone Sr. son.
Okay. Didn't that maybe upset you a little bit? No?
Mm-mm.
All right, former Hall of Famer, Houston Rockets son, talking negatively about how you manage your camp. That didn't bother you at all?
No.
Okay.
I wasn't angry. I was just, like I said, more so confused.
Okay. So this post is made on Facebook at 10:33 a.m., right? You see that?
Yep.
Okay. Let's take a little break so she can go to the restroom.
That'd be good.
All right.
Thank you.
This is the end of video 1. The time is 2:42 p.m. We're off the record.
All right, that concludes part 1 of the deposition of James Harden. He's still a current NBA star, right?
Yeah.
What are some of the major takeaways? What were you able to glean from that?
You want to go underdog or you want me to go?
I mean, it's like a regular, deposition. I think he did pretty good at, trying to elude certain questions, trying to protect, certain people. I do know that he's starting to show a pattern of like the interviewers say, like assaults or anger or whatever, right? And I believe that the pending cases that he got is probably why he had them other people just like he sent to pay them to do it. Like basically, I got cases pending. I can't do nothing right now. You know what I mean? Not to even say that he would, but I'm sure he would have had some kind of encounter with Moses Malone Jr. Even though I believe he did have one, it can't be proven. So it's easy for him to say, "Well, I don't know him. I never met him." Just like it's a lot of people that he say he met, and he didn't been to dinner with people, but he really don't know them. He got their number in his phone, but he really don't know them. So to me, that's that part where he's eluding, trying to implicate certain people because, like the Jay Prince situation, like if you implicate him, in this interview, and it brings some heat to him, that can get him put him in a real dangerous situation. It also looks like that when he gets to I don't know, catching too many cases or the assaults get to happening, like he's always seemed to run. It seems like that's why he's in he chose Dallas. Trying to like get out of an environment and start new. But like I say, he got this pattern about him. I'm eager to see what the other part of the interview gonna be, because I feel like if you look at him, he's starting to get under pressure because he's starting to get tired, and that's what interrogations are for. You know what I mean? It's to try to get you to crack. You know what I mean? To where a certain truth or a contradiction pops up. Yeah. What you think, Ruler?
So it's a few things that really raised my eyebrow in this deposition. Now, one thing we got to remember, and I took some notes right off the top, and I think this is very important when we consider Moses Malone Jr.'s story. Right off the top, they ask about Molo. I mean, they didn't ask too much about anything. Hey, how you doing? Hey, who's Molo? You know what I mean? And he was asked several questions about her. Now, he said that she wasn't his friend, nor was she a business partner. She just was somebody who was around him who would help him get things. She was his plug. Basically, kind of confirming some of the shit that Moses Malone told us, right? Now, along with that, there was trips, Turks and Caicos trips around family members and stuff. Who was there? Molo, right? On top of that, and I think me and Dog kind of looked at it at the same time and like, what the hell? They asked him about being at the strip club, and he said Molo would bring him girls. I think that was like a crazy answer. I mean, and the lawyer just sitting there while he's answering all this stuff. Now, myself, I would have guessed or know them to death, but he kind of elaborated on some of these questions too, and he almost slipped up. He said, well, what happens what do you do with these girls? I can't remember verbatim what he said, but he said, whatever you want to do.
Right? What the fuck? Yeah,
he said whatever. He said, yeah.
Hey, listen. If there was ever a time to fucking object to some shit,
but then his ass start. He said everything, but then he only said like two things that was everything. No, motherfucker.
I'm on the phone with Larry, a lawyer, and I'm on the phone with Todd Perkins, who are two international lawyers of the highest caliber. And listen,
it was a lot, bro. It was a lot.
It was the girl. What did she do with the girl? She give me girl to what? Like, what the fuck? Is this like? Are you buying kids? Are you buying women off Backpage or something, nigga? I mean, what the fuck about? Now, I would have never said no shit like that, especially when I know what this whole thing is about. I would have never admitted that somebody brought girls to me for my pleasure and enjoyment. He might well have said, yeah, she bring bitches to me for my pleasure and enjoyment so I could slut them out and fuck them to death.
Yeah.
Yeah, or at least he could have just been like since he's doing all that talking, he could have just been like, Momo was bringing girls that was already in there because that's her job inside of there to make sure them females circulate, and you know what I mean, and I'm the one with the money, so they target me.
I would have never said she brought girls.
He tried. He tried to keep her concealed, but whatever she did to fuck over him.
So watch this. What? But hold on. You don't really know her that well, But you're taking her on trips outside the country when your mama.
With your mama. Who
With
does
your
that?
mama.
Who fucking does that?
NBA players and entertainers of any ilk, they keep their family, right?
That's right.
If we're not friends, I'm not taking you and my mama no motherfucking where or my kids nowhere.
Right.
What are you talking about? Am I tripping here or what?
No, that's it. That's the spirit right there.
Now, remember this part, and I seen you look at this too. I don't know if you stopped it, but I seen a reaction when that lawyer asked him, did he trust Molo?
He said no, but took on the trip with his
And he said she was shady.
Yeah, he said she tried to fuck over him. So he admitted that he admitted that.
Now is he saying she's shady? Because don't forget, Moses Malone Jr. said allegedly Molo ran off with the payoff money.
Yeah.
The money that they was gonna pay the other dudes that did the
$30,000
robbery. Yeah.
Yeah, and I look at that situation like shit, the bitch should have left with the bread though, for real, because
I would have. I'm scurvy like
yeah. Just think, you supposed to come up there and bring some bread to pay these niggas off for taking care of that bit, but by the time you get there, that bitch circulated with police. Because he had the police right there. Them motherfuckers seemed to pop right up right after the ass whooping, right? So it's like, she pulled up right with the bread, or just even know what the bread is, or just had an opportunity to get the fuck out of there. She played that moment to the fullest. Oh shit, I'm out of here. All these niggas in trouble. Left with that bread like she's supposed to. She a hustling ass bitch anyway. Come on, man.
agree with that because according to Mo, he immediately called the police, and then 45,000 cars pulled up. The cavalry pulled up.
That's right. That's right.
Probably now. This is all hypothetical. This is all alleged. If I was Molo, and by the way, I've met Molo. I was at Dome. I was standing on the same table Boosie was standing on when the alleged assault happened about a month ago, when they say he hit the guy and hit the bottle. Me, Helliver, D. Reed, we were standing on the exact same table that thing with Boosie happened. That's why I know little Boosie did not throw that bottle and hit that guy. Because I was standing exactly where Boosie was standing, and based on the direction and trajectory of that bottle that hit that security guard in the head, there's no way Boosie could have been standing where he was standing on that table, and that bottle could have hit that guy in that head from that direction. I know, I don't even like Boosie bitch ass, but I know that bottle didn't come out of Boosie's hand that hit that security guard because I've been there. So I can measure and gauge what happened and what didn't happen and what could have happened based on the angle that he was standing at. I have videos where I was on the exact same table. She brings me girls.
I got one more for you.
I dare you to point out something that's significant. I dare you.
Now, the lawyer asked a question, right? The lawyer asked him, did he trust his brother-in-law? But that was after he asked him, did his brother-in-law ever have a conversation with Moses Malone Jr. about those two getting together?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Now the lawyer said, like, well, what if your brother-in-law said this? So, I mean, 1 + 1 = 2 all the time. The lawyer is saying this because the brother-in-law came and sat down for his deposition and said that there was going to be an arrangement of a meeting of some sort for him to be saying it in his deposition. I found that to be interesting too. So in my mind, it seemed like it was some things going on behind the scene where it was possibly going to be worked out and something fell apart. I don't know what it was, but something fell apart.
I would have kept the money too. Fuck them bitch ass niggas.
I definitely
stupid ass niggas. Allegedly, presumably, I would have kept the money too because you niggas been go to jail. Y'all ain't need this. This is $30,000. When Moses Malone get through wrapping you niggas up like a present, y'all ain't gonna need this money.
Right.
He throwing Molo and Big Tony's name around too a little bit. Like he said, and this is another thing that struck me. And I'm just thinking, and I know this is all alleged. We do know some people actually got charged and went to jail for this as well. But I think it was also, interesting that he said that he didn't really know about the post. He was called by Molo and Big Tony, and they told him about the Facebook post that Moses Malone had made. And That's who he let know that he wasn't feeling it. You know what I mean? He displayed this, you know what I mean? He was upset about it. They were the first ones to know this. I'm just saying, allegedly, if what Moses Malone told us on this platform is true, I mean, some of the things that he answered in this deposition, one could kind of like play connected dot if they want to.
Mm-hmm.
Part 2 of Moses Malone deposition in the case of the assault of, part 2 of the case of the deposition of James Harden in the assault that is connected to the assault case of Moses Malone Jr. It will be aired tomorrow, 8 p.m. sharp. Close us out.
All right, so what y'all seen was an hour's worth of, exclusive content, because y'all only gonna get this over here. Now we know people will clip it after this, but
have at it.
Keep in mind, y'all got it here first. So Dawgface is putting this together, and I appreciate the brother for including me in something epic. This is gonna be big, man. Make sure y'all get with Underdog on Instagram as well as YouTube. Y'all already know y'all gotta hit up Dawgface on Instagram and YouTube, and come holla at your boy Ruler Report as well, man. We'll be back tomorrow with more of this James Harden deposition, man.